Good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, coming to you again from Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas. Now, this morning we are in Cozumel, Mexico. We're already here. We're already docked. So I'm going to hop off the ship and we're just going to kind of bum around and look around in Cozumel, Mexico today. Alright, so we're currently in the Cozumel cruise port, and first things first, I need something to drink, and this is the place to get it. So I got my beverage, now I'm good. If you need some shirts, good morning. Oh, I don't need a bag, thank you. So I have tons of video of the cruise port here in Cozumel. We've been here many times. But I do have to pick up a couple things. It is a good place just to pick up stuff that you need, particularly in the pharmacy areas. Always like to stock up while we're here because it's just less expensive. So I'm just going to kind of run around and pick some stuff up and show you guys a little bit. Now, Cozumel definitely has a very large shopping area, so you can always get pretty much any type of souvenir you want here. Alright, so we're going to head out of the cruise port, which is where I think it's a lot better experience for me personally. Oh, no thank you. But you can get a ride in a horse and carriage. If you do that, ask the price before you do it. Always negotiate ahead of time. But we're going to go out and do some exploring here in Mexico. One of these days I gotta stop and try one of these jumbo sized drinks. I mean, look at the size of these things. Here's some more. Then you have a good shopping area right over here. You'll be able to find it because you'll be able to see the Mayan temple right there, or the replica of the Mayan temple. This is where you come if you want tequila. The Tequila Mayan Museum, they have tequila.